Even when the world rages, the heavens remain open. Stephen looks past the shadows of this life to see the glory of God, proving that a life laid down for the gospel is never lost. The Spirit is moving beyond the walls. In the streets of Samaria, the broken are made whole and a new joy erupts as the message of Christ crosses every cultural boundary. No one is beyond the reach of the King. On the road to Damascus, the church's greatest enemy becomes its greatest voice, transformed in a single moment by the blinding light of Christ. God is tearing down the barriers we built. Through the vision of a sheet, Peter learns that the gospel has no favorites. Heaven's doors are open to every nation, every tribe, and every soul. Chains cannot hold the work of the Spirit. As the light fills the dungeon, we are reminded that no prison and no power on earth can stop the advance of God's kingdom. The mission begins in the place of prayer. From the heart of the church in Antioch, the Spirit sends out the first missionaries to carry the light across the seas to the ends of the earth. In the name of the living God, the impossible becomes reality. Even in a land of idols, the gospel of Jesus Christ brings true healing and the power to stand tall in His grace. The work of the gospel is to plant and to strengthen. Paul and Barnabas leave behind a legacy of faith, a community of believers empowered to lead and ready to change the world.